The Word by John Kendrick Bangs. Read for LibriVox.org by Betty B. The Word. Today, whatever may annoy, the word for me is joy, just simple joy. The joy of life, the joy of children and of wife, the joy of bright blue skies, the joy of rain, the glad surprise of twinkling stars that shine at night, the joy of winged things upon their flight, the joy of noonday and the true joyousness of eventide, the joy of labor and of mirth, the joy of air and sea and earth, the countless joys that ever flow from Him, whose vast beneficence doth dim the lustrous light of day, and lavish gifts divine upon our way. Whate'er there be of sorrow, I'll put off till tomorrow, and when tomorrow comes, why then 'twill be today, and joy again. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.